you guys. Bye-bye.
Face in color. So pag may merienda ka, si Blakey meron ng choco milkshake.
Like, is it good?
Si tito nyo. May coffee kami.
Now we're gonna wait for our food.
Blakey and choco milkshake. Oh! Natapon na. Ang choco milkshake mo, Blakey. How was it?
Wow.
How was it?
Sarap.
Yan na. Uy, lalabas niya si Sir.
Baka kagating ka din.
Blakey, Rika, ano dito? Anong masasabi mo sa weather for today? Blakey, ano masasabi mo sa weather for today?
I don't know.